Welcome to my Airbnb apartment tour. Da Nang, Vietnam. This is what you get. A very minimalistic style apartment. This is a 1-bedroom. I would estimate the square footage to be around 650. This is the high season in Da Nang, and I'm paying $175 per week, which is a little bit on the high side for Da Nang, but this is my first one and I wanted to make sure it was nice and in an area that's a close walk to the beach. It's about 10 minutes to the beach, and when you step out the door, it is in a bustling area. Now all these places in Da Nang are above businesses, so you want to be careful you're not above anything too noisy. This particular apartment has 2 air cons. This bedroom gets nice and cold. This living room is actually so large that the aircon unit has difficulty cooling it down. It is the hottest time of year right now. It's a little overcast today. It's actually pretty pleasant in here. So yeah, for $175 a week, this is about the most you're gonna pay for an apartment. I love it because it's minimalistic. Nothing's worse than going to an Airbnb and there's clutter on the desks all over the walls and just knickknacks laying around everywhere and you feel like you can't even walk. So this one does the trick. It's a pretty good deal. And from here, I'm actually going to a studio, which is similar looking than this, very minimalistic, has a full kitchen, and I'm paying $130 a week. So just over $18 a night for that studio. And again, this one is $25 a night. A little on the high end, but everything's pretty new and nice. It's been raining for 2 days now in Da Nang, so what better thing to do but check out the mall. Pretty nice. This is the largest mall in Da Nang. It's really warm inside. I thought it'd be a little bit busier. It is Wednesday afternoon and it's pouring down rain, so I guess whoever wants to be here now is here. Hey, Jollibee action. Okay, a little different. I got the spicy, so this is probably spicy, but they don't have gravy. So only in the Philippines and the U.S. they have gravy. A little different. That's really spicy. Wow. That's a nice mall. Safety is not really a concern as far as like physical safety or people being aggressive here in Southeast Asia, but just walking around and really transportation are the biggest concerns. That would not fly in America at all. That is a slick. The entire walkway and the stairs are so slick. One person would fall, get a concussion, the mall would be sued, and they would have to replace everything. Interesting. What's up, y'all? I'm upping the quality for everyone. From now on, I'm using a microphone. Okay, I'm here at a luxury restaurant, I guess you could call it, in Vietnam. They have indoor seating, but with the rain, it's actually nice to sit outdoors. I'm here at Nomad Nosh Cafe and Crafts. I ordered the grilled beef steak with mashed potatoes and pepper sauce. This should be really good. Looks like there's some fresh veggies in there also. And then I got the fresh orange juice. It's gonna be about 310,000 dong or 12 US dollars. Figured I'd treat myself today. I had to move Airbnbs. Not that it was too exhausting. Moving is always a little bit challenging. So I have this place for one more week and maybe I'll extend it, see what happens. My visa's good for 30 days, so I still have a few weeks left here in Da Nang if I want to stay. Good spot. We're about halfway through. They brought out a complimentary dessert. I'd say it's a pretty good cut of meat. Veggies are good, mashed potatoes are on point, and the gravy, spectacular. Wow. I mean, it is coming down here. I don't know if you see how hard it's raining. The staff was very friendly. After the tip, it came to about 350,000, which is well under $20 for a meal like that. Actually, it's under $15, so I'll take it. I appreciate all the views lately. The channel's looking pretty good, but I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. But I'm hoping up with quality content, one after another. So I'm gonna get a grab car out of here, maybe get a latte, and then go back and edit the vlog. Take care, have a good night.